similar. Wow. The lights. They were on all this time. Whoa.
Wow.
Quick adjustment. Wow. I really like this patio area. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Some buildings right here. Actually, to a restaurant called Bikini Express. No, Bikini Bottom. Bikini Bottom Express. And if you've watched SpongeBob or a fan of SpongeBob, I think that is where the name originates. So we always order from there, so we're excited to actually like go physically to the restaurant and try the food. Fresh. Okay.
Why did the chicken cross?
Like this.
Cars are much.
don't get in the water, it's so soothing and calming, and it's a lot cooler here than it is back where we were. It might also be the time of day, but it's very nice. I could sit here all day.
Yeah, I like it.
Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, more lover. Just a paper playlist. Win.
Blue lime. So it's lime. Glad we figured that out.
Jason thought it was
Free salt.
blue vine. Who's that? Came here for the Justin Bieber. We stayed for the drinks. Justin Bieber is back. He's back. He's having a baby, but he's back. Oh, you're barefoot.
I kept sliding.
Oh no. Should I have brought your shoes?
No, it's okay. Well,
Good morning! Jason had to do some recording and some more work, so we just stayed in instead of going to the cafe. But now we're heading to the one place I asked to go to this entire trip, which is a restaurant called Under the Sea. I think it's Korean food and some other, I think Korean Japanese fusion, something like that. But it's supposed to feel like you're under the sea. Actually, it's like under a koi fish pond, but you know, we still like it. Thanks, babe.
of course not. Alright, there we go.
There we go.